Hi everyone, so what I'm going to be doing today is creating a neuron with household items. The first item that I got was a wooden spoon, and I got this because it kind of looks like a neuron except for this part. This is straight, but it's all I could find. So the first part is the axon, which is here, and the axon generates an action potential for an outgoing signal, and this is called a nerve impulse, and this conducts it to the next cell. So the axon is the conductive region of the neuron, so this is like the main part. And then the axon, after the axon, some neurons have a myelin sheath, and what I'm using for the myelin sheath is paper clips, because they all look straight. Okay, so that's the myelin sheath. And when a neuron has myelin sheath, this increases the speed in which the impulses are carried along the myelin fiber. So the smaller the myelin sheath is, the slower the messages are sent to the neuron. And not all neurons have a myelin sheath. So the next part that I'm doing is a soma. This is a bottle cap that I used. That's the soma. So the soma is the nucleus, which is the cell body of the neuron, and this processes information. So the next part would be the terminal button, and for the terminal button, I used Q-tips because they do look like they have buttons on the ends. So I'm gonna put that there. I'll have a few of them. See how they work out. Okay. So the terminal buttons on a neuron release chemicals that serve as the messengers for the next neuron. This is what a terminal button does. And the last part would be the dendrites. And for the dendrites, I used bobby pins. This kind of looks like a dendrite. So those are the dendrites all along. And what the dendrites do is that they receive signals that come from other cells and they send them towards the axon. So this is what a neuron would look like with myelin sheath. Some don't have it, and the ones that don't will just take this off. So this is my neuron with spatula, a bottle cap, bobby pins, paper clips, and Q-tips.